everyone, welcome back to my channel. A quick DIY to share with you today. I have these makeup brushes and I am going to glitter them to make just a little glitter. I will be using this this one I picked up. It's a rose gold, and this one I picked up from efavormart. I will leave the link of this for you in the description box, just in case. It's very affordable, just in case you want to try it. I am going to use the glitter with Mod Podge, and so I have my Mod Podge and my glitter. I have some paint brushes, my little container to put my Mod Podge, and my makeup brushes just to bling them a little bit, make them a little fancy. So let's get into this DIY, shall we? Brushes, this is how it looks. Very nice brushes, and it has black. I'm not going to do anything to this portion. I'm just going to put it on the black portion, so it will have gold and rose gold. Let's see how that comes out. And I think I have 10 pieces. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I have 10 pieces, and like I said, I'm going to use Mod Podge, and I think I'll use this brush. I think I'll use this brush. What I'm going to do, I am going to keep this on, keep the plastic on, and only because I don't want the glitter to be on the brushes, so I'm going to keep the plastic just to the top, tape it up, and then do the DIY. So let's go. Okay, so I don't like the way this is looking, so I'm going to try my regular way. How about doing it like that? So I need another brush. Okay, I'll just try this brush and let's see the difference of this.